The UK Privy Council. Now, earlier today, the Privy Council quashed the convictions of popular dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel and his three co-accused and have sent the case back to the local courts for a decision to be made on whether the matter should be sent for a retrial. Following the news, E-Prime took to the streets of downtown where fans of the entertainer are in high spirits, expressing hope that he will be freed when the case goes back to the Court of Appeal here in Jamaica.
The whole Jamaica nice, man. The whole Jamaica nice, man. Yeah, man, a public holiday, man. A Vybz Kartel that, the world boss, Yeah, man, as I say, everybody need a second try. A whole heap of man there road and a whole heap of thing. You understand? And them a walk around free, so we'd love to see him get a chance again.
What them need to do, a free the youth and let go the youth, you see me? Because everybody has said, and Jamaica alone need it. All over need it, because now we alone the same music, you see me? All over the same music.
From him coming here, you don't know what's going on. Enjoyment, right through, you hear that? Whole heap of laughter, whole heap of fun, happiness, right through. Just free up my heart to see him, man.
It's a good look. You don't know the thing, him there in jail long time now. And it's like, them a try set him up rehearsal, you see it? Even jurors get buyout and them something there. So it's like a full time now, free world boss.
Local artists could be impacted by TikTok ban. Yesterday, the U.S. House of Representatives passed a bill that could possibly see the banning of social media app TikTok. The news has caused the local entertainment industry to be worried, as this may have an adverse effect on Jamaican talents gaining viral traction in the U.S. market. In reacting to the news, music producer Crabba Genius says this could possibly see a slowing down of breakout talents.
It's gonna give a little damp, you know what I mean, because TikTok was a good avenue for fast exposure.
One artist who has seen immense success with the use of the platform is Baby Lord with his viral song Jiggy Jiggy Oogie Oogie. I don't know it.
Oogie Oogie Jiggy Jiggy Weddy Weddy. I saw we calm them down jigs boogie. Make me beat them bad shelly belly.
The TikTok sound has garnered over 300,000 user-created videos both locally and internationally and over 1,000 Shazams.
TikTok does help, as you can see. A lot of songs from TikTok introduce it's sent viral, you know what I mean? And once the song go viral, people Shazam, Spotify, people go on iTunes and listen to the song. So most definitely, TikTok makes song going viral. Tribute a lot to, our local talents.
That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daydran. Thank you for watching.